Hello, some viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss what are user-defined variables, but locally. What are local user-defined variables? In the previous video, we would have seen what are user-defined variables globally, creating in a test plan. Okay. So now, guys, let us create another thread group. So now, instead of creating a thread group, I'll just copy this. I'll just do Control C and Control V, and I'll get a local to thread group. And also, I'll have the same HTTP request and view results tree. So now I will remove the view results tree. I will add the same path, but what I'll do, I'll click on add config element user defined variable. In the user defined variable, guys, I will give the path value. What will happen here? If I click on add and I add the path PATH, and also if I add the value, this is reqres.in. I go to single user. I'll copy this request. This was added in the previous video. I'll click on the list users. I'll copy the entire thing. Here I'll paste the path. Here I'll add this will override the global variable. Okay. What and all the variable we have created the test plan, it will override. Now, let me add this request local 2, and this is request local 1. Now I'll add a listener view results. Now let me run this view results tree. Now HTTP request local 2 has come. You can see the response data. You can see the response data. It has taken the list view, not a single user, multi-user data it has taken, which is overriding the path of a global variable. The user-defined local variable which we have added as a config element, it overrides the global variable value. So now, let me now disable the local to thread group and let me run the view results tree of the first one. Right click. Now disable this thread. Now we can just run the first one, view results tree, and clear all. Now let it run now. This will only should add the single user. Responded, yeah, this is the one we have added. Guys, we have seen the user defined variable and also the global user defined variable. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.